This is Dave Espino and welcome back. Today somebody requested an answer to a question, and the question is, what is the best way to make passive income online? In my opinion, that answer is very easy. It's information products. Information products are the best way to make a passive income online because you're providing a really good service, you're providing information. Typically that information can be a how-to video course. It can be the answers to a lot of questions. It can be how to do something better, how to do something more efficiently, how to overcome a challenge, how to learn a new skill, how to improve their career opportunities, how to get fit, how to lose weight. All these kinds of things are things that people are searching for actively right now on the internet. Right now, every second that ticks by, there's 40,000 searches happening on Google. Every single second, 40,000 searches. 40,000 searches, 40,000 searches every second. What are these people looking for? Primarily, they're looking for information. And if you put together a good information product, a really good resource that helps them, you're going to sell a lot of that information product. Now, in the old days, the best type of information product was an ebook because that's where technology was at the time. It still wasn't very easy to stream video like when YouTube came around, back about 10 or 15 years ago. So in the old days, it was an ebook. And before that, it was a book, right? That was an information product. But now, the ultimate way to create an information product is through online courses. You create a video course. And by the way, you don't even have to be on video to do this. You can record your screen with a very simple screen recording software tool, very inexpensive too. And you create your course. You package that up and you provide it out into the marketplace. There's a variety of ways to do this. One is you can publish it on a marketplace website like Udemy and then have Udemy bring you students. Another way, much better way, is self-host your course and create a sales funnel to drive traffic to your course and sell a lot of it. The self-hosted way allows you to charge whatever you want for your course. The Udemy and marketplace way has you charging typically 10 or 15 or 20 bucks. You can't make a lot of money that way, especially when you only get to keep 50% of it or even 25% of it if an affiliate sells your course. If you want to learn the insider secrets to making a massive passive income with online courses, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. And also, I've got a couple of free offers for you. You're going to want to get this download. It's called The World's Most Perfect Business. It's all about the online course business and how not only I'm making a lot of money with it, but a lot of other people are as well. So you're going to get that free download at daveespino.com/free book. And then the other freebie I have for you is a special webinar training that I'm doing all about the online course business, how you can get yourself to 6 figures with an online course business. And I'm not talking about creating 50 or 60 courses like I have. I'm talking about doing it with one comprehensive master class and how you can turn that into a 6, 7, and even 8-figure income. So you're going to want to attend that webinar, especially because I'm giving away all kinds of amazing gifts in the webinar as well. To register for the webinar, just go to daveespino.com/webinar. I look forward to seeing you on the webinar where I'm going to show you this incredible world that I call the world's most perfect business. So I recommend the self-hosted way, the self-hosted model. Create a sales funnel that drives traffic to your course, that has people buy it from you, and now you can charge $47, $97, $197, $297, $597, and even as much as $1,500 and $2,000 for a course that maybe includes a little bit of hand-holding from you, a little bit of group coaching and that kind of thing. And that is, in my opinion, the best way to make a passive income online because it's constant. Those people who are searching for information constantly, 40,000 people per second, 40,000 searches per second, happening constantly, you get in front of that stream of people and you find those people that are searching for your particular information and sell it to them. You've got an incredible passive income business online. I call it the world's most perfect business. I wrote a book all about it. You can find that book below this video. And if you like this topic of online courses and passive income, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.